Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to send Pepe to Trezor, full guide. First, connect your Trezor and unlock it with your PIN, then open the official wallet app. Choose the correct network and add Pepe by its contract address, confirming token details on both devices. Generate a receive address on your Trezor, copy it, and double-check the checksum before proceeding to the next step to avoid mistakes. Now create a receive address on your Trezor while staying calm and methodical. Open the account for the network you plan to use, click Receive, and confirm the full address on the Trezor screen. Copy the address on your computer only after visual verification, then paste it into the sending app. Always send a small test amount first to confirm the transaction and the token visibility in your wallet. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: the product shown makes meal prep easy and makes long crypto sessions less messy, perfect for desk snacks and tidy workspaces. I link that useful item and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When you are ready to send Pepe, choose the sending wallet and paste the verified Trezor address. Enter the amount, check token decimals, and set a realistic gas fee so the transfer confirms promptly. Review every detail on your Trezor device before approving, and never approve unknown contract interactions. After sending, monitor the transaction with the TX ID and wait for multiple confirmations to ensure the tokens arrive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.